Morning, students. In the previous classes, we have discussed about money supply concept, right? Today, let us discuss about the concept of credit creation. So, in the banking, credit creation is a very familiar concept. It is very easy to understand also. See here, credit in the sense, it means loans and advances of the bank. Normally, loans and advances of the bank is considered as a bank credit. Suppose if we are using this credit, basically it is only for the current purchasing power. See, for example, now the credit amount is 10,000 rupees means I can use these 10,000 rupees for my current consumption. But at the same time, in the future, it needs to create some interest rate also. And the next thing is, suppose I am investing nearly 2 lakhs of money in the bank account. So my deposit is 2 lakhs. Out of these 2 lakhs rupees, bank keeps some amount as a reserve amount. See, for example, the amount is the deposit amount is 2 lakhs. So out of this 2 lakhs rupees, 10% may be cash reserve ratio, sorry, the reserves. Then or the 20% may be the reserves of the bank. So out of the total deposit amount, some portion or some parts of the deposit has been used as a reserves by the bank. Because suppose any depositors need money due to some emergency purpose, with the help of these reserves alone, the bank can fulfill the basic needs of these depositors. So the remaining portion, see for example, the reserves percentage is 20% mean the remaining 80% of the money they can use for the lending purpose. So listen very carefully. Loans and advances of a bank is considered as a bank credit. So out of the total bank deposits, some portion of the deposits has been retained as a reserve amount. And the remaining amount has been used for the lending purpose by the bank, right? So here the loan is normally credited in the account of the borrower. See, for example, now out of these 2 lakhs rupees, 80,000 rupees has been given as a lending amount to another person. So these 80,000 rupees they never give as a cash amount to the borrower. So instead of giving this amount as a liquid amount or cash amount to the borrower, just they are opening an account to the borrower's name and they are depositing these 2 lakhs rupees or 80,000 rupees in borrower's account. So in this way, every bank loan creates an equivalent deposits in the bank. So this credit creation means expansion of bank deposit. Why we are saying that this is an expansion of bank credit? Because in the name of giving lending amount to the borrower, they are opening another account also. So this amount also deposited in this borrower's account. Therefore, it is considered as the expansion of bank deposit, right? And in this credit creation, mainly there are two aspects. The two are important aspects. One is liquidity and another one is profitability. See, liquidity in the sense, bank always keeps some amount as a cash amount. So from the depositors amount, see, for emergency purpose, these depositors also need money very urgently. So in order to give or withdraw their money, some amount of cash, some amount of deposit has been retained as a cash. So this is the important concept, that is liquidity. Then the second aspect is the profitability. See, bank is also, they try to improve their profit. Because one side they are receiving or accepting the deposit, and in another side they are lending credit to the borrowers. So as far as deposit is concerned, the interest rate is low. But in the case of borrowing, it is not like that. They are lending money with high interest rate. So surely bank can earn more profit in the future, right? And in this credit creation process, mainly we are assuming only a particular time period of time. Genuinely, in a particular period of time only, these customers need cash from the bank account. And this credit creation basically consists of two concepts. The first concept is the bank as a business, because the bank is a business institution only. Why we are saying that it is a business institution means this bank also tries to maximize the profit. How they can maximize their profit? Only through loans and advances from the deposit. It is loan amount is also their own money. It is the depositors' money only. So from their depositors' money, they are lending loans and advances to another customer. So this is the first basic concept. And the second basic concept is bank deposit. Again, in these bank deposit, there are two basic forms. One is primary deposit. Second one is secondary or derivative deposit. Listen very carefully. There are two deposits under bank deposit. What are they? Primary deposit and secondary deposit. The primary deposit in the sense always the cash from the customers, they are opening an account and they are depositing their money in the name of the customer. So this deposit is considered as a primary deposit. See, never this type of primary deposit create this credit creation. So these deposits are simply converted into currency money into deposits money. So if I am giving 1 lakh rupees to deposit in my account, just they are converting my cash or currency money into the deposit money. This is the primary concept or primary deposit concept. So these deposits only, it is the basis for credit creation. And the second form is secondary deposits or derivative deposits. See here, bank grants loans and advances. Instead of giving cash to the borrower, just they are opening a new account in the name of the borrower. So this is the secondary deposit or derivative deposit, because this is also one of the deposits. They never give the loan amount to the cash the particular borrower. Instead of giving cash amount, just they are opening a new account in the name of the borrower's name, right? So this concept is considered as a secondary deposit or derivative deposit. Then it is clearly discussed about the basic concepts of credit creation. See, mainly there are again three basic concepts. One is cash reserve ratio. See here, bank is very clear because bank know about the behavior of the depositor. Because if you see a bank, there is no single customer. See, there are lot of customers, they are depositing their money in the bank account. Therefore, see, some people alone withdraw some amount of money in a specific period of time. So all the customers, they are keeping their deposit amount very safely. Today, 5% withdraw money. Tomorrow, 10% may withdraw their money. Day after tomorrow, just a few percentage of the depositors only withdraw their money. So in a single day, it is not at all possible to withdraw money from each and every deposit, because they want to save their money. So mostly some percentage of the money has been used as a cash reserve. So this ratio is considered as a cash reserve ratio. Then come to the second one, it is excess reserve. The excess reserves in the sense the reserves over and above the cash reserves, these are considered as the excess reserves. So these reserves also they are using for the loans as well as they are using this for the credit creation, right? So this is the second one, that is excess reserve. Then the next concept is credit multiplier. So given a certain amount of cash, a bank also creates some multiple kinds of credit. So in the process of multiple credit creation, the total amount of derivative deposit, that is our secondary deposit, with the help of these secondary deposits, the bank creates multiple of the initial cash reserve. And let us clearly concentrate on the process of credit creation. See, there are two ways of analyzing this credit creation process. One is credit creation by a single bank, and another one is credit creation by the banking system as a whole. So, credit creation by the whole banking system. These are the main credit creation process. So with the help of this table, it is very better to know about the process of credit creation. So you assume that a person A, this A person deposit 1,000 rupees as a primary deposit in the bank. Listen very carefully. It is a single bank credit creation. You assume a person, he deposits 1,000 rupees as a primary deposit in the bank. Now, imagine 20% as a cash reserve. So 20% of this 1,000 rupees is 200 rupees. How it is 200 rupees? 1,000 rupees into 20%. That is 20 divided by 100. That is equal to 200 rupees. So these 200 rupees they are using as a cash reserve. So the remaining deposit amount has been used for a loan purpose, or that is credit creation or derivative deposit. What is the remaining amount? 1,000 rupees minus 200 rupees, that is equal to 800 rupees. So these 800 rupees that the bank has been utilized for credit creation. Again, these 800 rupees they can use it for giving credit facility to another person. See, already I told you this amount they never give as a cash amount. Instead of giving this as a ready cash amount or liquid amount, just they are opening a new account and they are depositing these 800 rupees in another person's account. So this 800 rupees has been deposited in B person's account because he is a borrower. B person is a borrower. So bank opened a new account in the name of B person and they are depositing this 800 rupees. Again, cash reserves are 20%. So out of these 800 rupees, 160 rupees considered as the cash reserves because 800 into 20%, 20 divided by 100, that is equal to 160. So what is the remaining balance amount? 800 minus 160, therefore 640. Again, this 640 they can use it for credit creation. So they can lend this 640 rupees for another person, for example C. So the C person deposit amount is 640. Out of the 640, 20% has been used as a cash reserve. So 640 into 20 divided by 100, that is equal to 128. So what is the balance amount? 640 minus 128, that is 512. Again, they are retaining this 128 rupees because it is a cash reserve and they are giving 512 rupees to other borrowers. So for example, they are crediting these, they are giving loans to D person. So they are opening a new account in the name of this D person and they are depositing this 512 rupees. So out of this 512 rupees, cash reserves are 20%. So 512 rupees of 20% means 102. So the balance amount is 512 minus 102 is equal to 410. Again, this 410 has been used to another person. It may be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. Whoever may be, they are continuously giving loans to other needed people. So, like that, if we extend these primary deposits, E, F, G, like that they are giving, or they are all the other persons also, they are lending some amount of money and they are depositing in another account. So totally the primary deposits may be 5,000. And cash reserves are 1,000. With the help of these 5,000 rupees primary deposit, it creates extra 4,000 rupees of money. Therefore, this concept is considered as credit creation. So, when we give loan facility to other people with the help of the primary deposit, again it can create some credit again and again. So, this concept is considered as credit creation. So here we can see this explanation. A person deposit 1,000 rupees with the bank. Out of these 1,000 rupees, 200 rupees alone they are using it for a reserve amount, and the remaining amount, that is 800 rupees, they are lending in the another person B. So they open a credit account in the borrower's name. So similarly, bank keeps 20% of these 800 rupees. Therefore, 20% means 160, and they are giving loans to the remaining amount, that is 640. This is what we have discussed with the help of this table. So further, they are giving loans to A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. They are giving loans. So continuously, if we add these amount, totally the total primary deposits are 1,000. With the help of these 1,000 rupees, it creates credit of extra 4,000 rupees, right? So these are the important concepts in this credit creation. Then the next concept is okay, students. The next concept we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.